Do you want to make 5, 10, 20x, 50x gains in crypto? This video is going to show you how to do it. More so, it's going to show you how to do it on your own.
In this video, we followed Alex Becker's microcap investing strategy to find microcap crypto tokens that have the potential to hit 100 times. So, what is his secret method?
So let's talk about specific projects and themes. Not specific projects, but themes of what we're looking at.
Alex Becker reveals that he uses themes to dissect the crypto gaming market, and the theme that we are looking at today is the gambling theme, or what is called Gamblefi. Alex likes gambling games as an investment theme because the graphics don't need to be good to be successful. Also, gambling games are cheap to get operational, and as long as the gameplay is addictive, it can be a winning product and investment, increasing the token price substantially. Now, we have found 3 microcap Gamblefi tokens that look to have upwards of 100 times opportunities. So let's get straight into the gambling theme and set of tokens to find out which one is the best investment. And we start with D-Race. The first coin that we will be looking at is D-Race. Now, if you have ever dreamt of owning a racehorse, you should also know that it is not a walk in the park. It is expensive, not to mention risky and time-consuming. But not to worry though, D-Race is a play-to-earn horse racing game that makes it much easier for you to own a racehorse. The D-Race project, powered by its native token, DERC, lets you buy, breed, equip, and trade digital racehorses represented by unique NFTs. One of the best parts of this project is that you get to join, host races, and even earn dividends from the platform's profits. D-Race was initially launched on July 16, 2021 on the DAO Maker platform by Odamas Judosias and Adelaida Sienkiewicz, 2 seasoned business people who both own a prosperous marketing firm. Together, they have gathered a group of 8 outstanding and varied individuals from various nations and backgrounds, along with Hassan Sheikh, the co-founder of DAO Maker, Michael Owen, a former professional football player and horse breeder, and A.B. de Villiers, a former South African international cricket player. They have some impressive advisors. Now, D-Race is a pioneer in the field of NFT horse racing, combining the best of blockchain technology, gaming, and gambling. This token also has a large and loyal community of fans and supporters active on social media, including some influential crypto figures such as Elio Trades, BitBoy Crypto, and Crypto Banter. Now, I already mentioned some of the uses for DERC. This token allows you to breed NFT horses with desired characteristics such as speed, stamina, agility, and color. These exercises create a deflationary mechanism for the token. One other use of DERC tokens is in the creation and acquisition of virtual racetracks called NFT hippodromes, where users host and join games. These hippodromes can also be customized to have different themes, layouts, and environments, and they can generate passive income for the owners, as a percentage of the fees from the races that take place in the tracks are paid to them. Now, let's talk about value. Being one of the leading projects in the crypto gaming and NFT space, DERC has a current price of 30.6 cents and a market cap of $36.5 million. It has a circulating supply of 118.9 million DERC, a total supply of 120 million DERC, and a maximum supply of 120 million DERC. So most tokens are on the blockchain. Now, DERC reached its all-time high of $8.26 on November 25th, 2021, and its all-time low of 10 cents on November 21st, 2022. Based on the current price, DERC would need to increase by 19 times to reach its previous ATH, by 38 times to reach $10, and by 76 times to reach $20. However, these are hypothetical scenarios and not in any way financial advice. Now, the next item on our list of Gamblefi crypto tokens is Blockchain Bets. Going by the token BCB, Blockchain Bets was founded in November of 2023 as a successor to the World Cup Inu, a popular Ethereum-based token for betting on the FIFA World Cup, and aims to become the biggest decentralized betting hub for sports and online casinos. The team behind the development of this project includes Oliver von Landsberg-Sadie, the previous CEO and owner of the BCB Group, a leading global digital asset financial services group with over 20 years of experience in technology, finance, and entrepreneurship. The team also includes the current CEO and the co-founder of the BCB Group, Oliver Tonkin. He is also a qualified lawyer, crypto enthusiast, co-founder, former deputy CEO, and former general counsel of Blockchain Bets. Other members of the team include prominent footballers like Ronaldinho and Luis Suarez, amongst others. Now, these footballers endorse the BCB token and are regarded as two of the best to have played the sport. BCB, the native token of Blockchain Bets, can be used to buy, stake, and play various games like slots, roulette, blackjack, and more on the platform. BCB holders can also earn dividends from the platform's profits and give them governance rights to vote on the platform's decisions, such as the rules of the games, the fees, and the rewards. At the moment, BCB has a full diluted valuation and market cap of $19.8 million and a current price of 2.2544 cents. So its total supply is 877.6 million BCB, and its maximum supply is 1 billion BCB. So there are still some tokens that are not on the blockchain. Now, on December 15th, 2023, BCB hit its all-time high of 5 cents, and on January 11th, 2023, it hit its all-time low of 2 cents. Now, BCB would need to rise by 2.2 times to hit its previous ATH, 37 times to hit $1, and 74 times to hit $2 based on the current price. Again, this is not financial advice, rather they are just speculative scenarios. And last on our list of Gamblefi crypto tokens is Polkar. Polkar, with a token PKR, the Polkar platform offers various patented protocols for the blockchain industry, including a multi-crypto marketplace that allows cryptocurrency swaps without ever leaving the platform, a real random number generator, and proven, fair, auditable gameplay. Polkar was launched to the public on January 2nd, 2023. The platform was co-founded by Connor Thacker and Hector Mayorga, who are the managing director and the chief of gaming, respectively. Now, they are supported by a team of developers, designers, marketers, and advisors with experience in blockchain, gaming, and software development. Some of the notable advisors include John McAfee, the founder of McAfee Antivirus, and Mate Tokay, the co-founder of Bitcoin.com. Other members of the team include Elliot Schechter, Sean Brennan, Jesse Paul, and Rob Wheeler. The Polkar ecosystem is powered by the PKR utility token. This token can be used for staking, purchasing the PKR Pass and in-game currency spades, participating in the PKR DAO, and accessing the multi-crypto marketplace. So what is the value of this token? Well, the market capitalization of PKR on February 5th, 2024 is $1.175 million, with 193.6 million PKR in circulation and a token price of 0.0062 cents. PKR's fully diluted worth, assuming that the entire 1 billion PKR supply is in circulation, is $6.2 million. Now, PKR is a deflationary token because of its dual tokenomic approach, which incorporates a buyback and burn mechanism. The buyback and burn process reduces the overall quantity and raises the token's value by burning PKR that is purchased from the market with a percentage of the money made via the Polkar platform. So, in summary, after an in-depth look at these three coins, I think it would be fair to say that the best one to go with would be D-Race. With a market cap of over $36 million, this token is worth more than the remaining two, and is more likely to attract more investment from investors. Also, although all three tokens have a great team of professionals behind them, the team behind the DERC token looks more credible than the rest. And with a large community of fans and supporters that includes prominent crypto gurus, this token also shows great potential in the way it combines blockchain technology, gaming, and gambling. Furthermore, the DERC token has been shown to have the highest value among the three coins. Although the dual tokenomic approach of PKR has the potential to increase its value dramatically as well, I would consider that one a second choice. DERC also has a vast area of application on the DERC platform, making it a very useful asset. With all of these, I think DERC is a much less risky and more useful coin to invest in. But anyway, that's just our opinion. What do you think? Please let us know down in the comments section. Also, if you would like to see more crypto investing opportunities, watch one of these videos right here. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.